Yes. Okay. Oh yeah.
Right, Mike. I can't spend the camera more. As you are joining us, this live broadcast, tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us where you are. Anywhere you're joining us from, we are here live at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium. That's free kick for Rangers there. Rangers is with the white jersey, both white jersey, while Abia Warriors with the red jersey. That's Rangers 1, Abia Warriors 1. Tell us your prediction, share this video, tell us where you're joining us from, tell us where you are all over the world. Let us know. We might be switching over to our YouTube, Amoko Community TV YouTube channel. So you can go and subscribe to our YouTube. If you don't see us here again, you know we are live in our YouTube. Still tell us your predictions. Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 1. Nice ball here. Make sure you subscribe to Amokwe Community TV YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us there. To subscribe is free. Just search Amokwe Community TV and subscribe. And you know that Amokwe Community TV is always there for you for all your events coverage. Any type of event. Different cultural festival, traditional marriage, wedding, Ubanko. Nice ball there. Corner kick. I don't know if anybody is watching this match. Tell us your prediction. Tell us where you're watching us from. We are here at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium, Enugu. another support you can give us to share our posts, share this match, let others join, share to different group, different WhatsApp platform, share the link. Let's promote our own. The more you share is the more you comment. Tell us where you're joining us from, tell us where you are. Oyeka Romano says Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 1. That's a very good prediction. And that's the current score now, so let's believe that it will end like that, or maybe more goals will be coming in. Oyeka Romano is watching from Lagos State. Thank you so much. Make sure you share this video, like and comment. Oyeka Romano, thank you. Make sure you click the notification button anytime we go live on our YouTube. We know we are going live. A nice try there. Very nice one. Corner kick. This shows that it's only Oyeka Romanos that is still watching this match. If you are watching the match, comment please, it's very important. Tell us your predictions. Robin Peter say Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 2. Okay, let's see how it ends. Sonny Oti watching from Lagos State. I really love my people's Rangers. Thank you. Joseph Ikech, who says Rangers 3, Abia Warriors 1, watching from the Republic. Thank you. Frank Diho watching from Europe. Frank Diho, thank you for joining us. Tell us your prediction, Frank Diho. Okwi Onwujike says nice one. We want this our own league to also be going viral like other leagues. That's why we are supporting it. We are coming here every time to stream these live matches so that people will also get interested in what we are doing. We know Okama Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 1. That's the current score. Okwi Onwujike says Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 1. Let's know who will carry the day. Let's know those that are very good with predictions. I have not seen your prediction yet. Put it in the comment section. Jonathan say Rangers 3, Abia Warriors 3. Wow. So that means we'll be expecting more 3 goals because it's still 2 goals to 1 now. Gift Queen, Rangers 2, Abia 1. Queen, your own is off because Abia Warriors have already scored 1, so you can say that Abia Warriors is 0. So you have to do your play. Okay, you said 2 goes to Gift Pieces, 2 goes to Rangers, 1 to Abia Warriors. That's the current score. So let's know if it will end like that. I'm still waiting for who will get the right score, who will carry the day. So let your prediction continue coming. Watching from Russia, Rangers 3, Abia Warriors 1. Just thank you for joining our live broadcast. As you are joining us, tell us where you are. Okay, let's say about 39 minutes. Okay, no, not 39 minutes, 34 minutes. Second half. Anywhere you're joining us from, let us know where you're joining us from. Let us know your predictions. It's very interesting that you interact with us as we are going live. It's always very interesting. Okay, Chiabo too says that while we are watching from Malaysia. Koye, thank you. Jonathan, I hope you heard what I said. The minutes is still going down. I'm on my stadium. I'm on my stadium. Check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp. Frank Clifford watching from Paris.
France. Thank you.
Hey! Bishop Chuk said my prayer is Rangers to win. This match is very important. Watching from Katuna. Shout out to Obi Samson. The score is still Rangers 2, Abia Warriors 1. Tobias says shout out to Obi Samson. Okwi Onwuchike watching from South Africa. Jonathan watching from Abba. Remember that Rangers International has the white jersey while Abia won. So it's a wonderful game. Shaking. Sometimes it's become so clear, sometimes it starts shaking. So but I feel it's passionate. I still don't think so. China's better for Nigerian League. Just scored now. 3 goes to 1. Rangers 3, Abia Warriors 1.